Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be telling you about Epic and its wonderful advantages and why I use it in my classroom. What is Epic? Epic is online and app-based. It is free for educators and it is an online digital library of children's books. Why should I use Epic? Well, it's free for educators. It allows students access to a wide variety of books that they can listen to and read on their own. It's great for struggling readers. It's great for ELL students. Students are able to choose books that interest them. It's engaging and versatile. It's easy to use for students and educators. Teachers can create accounts for their students. And in doing so, teachers can track their students' progress. And each topic search brings out multiple resources, such as books, videos, read to me books, audiobooks, collections, and sometimes quizzes. Let's explore Epic a little bit. When you go to getepic.com, the first thing you do is click on your educator account. It will then give you an option for the student to either log in or for the educator to either log in. And I'm going to log in under my own educator account so that I can show you the educator capabilities Epic has to offer. On this screen, you'll see your class code, and this class code is important and needed if you have a class roster and have students that are actually logging into their own accounts on Epic. I see a lot of students in a day, so it's just honestly easier for me to just log in my students under my own educator account. At the top, you're able to search up any author, title, or keyword. So for example, I searched up the keyword Thanksgiving. On this screen, you'll see all the items that come up when I search Thanksgiving. You have the option then to click on and just view the books on that topic, the videos on that topic, the read to me books, the audiobooks, and then the collections on the topic that you search up. Also available is the option to search by reading level, fiction or nonfiction text, the language of a text, or if a book has an end of the book quiz. Not all of the books have quizzes that correlate with them, but I thought the reading level is a really neat tool because you can look up and search based on the grade, the Lexile, and the readability for your students, especially if you have a classroom or you work with groups that have varying reading levels. It's really an important tool. And like I said before, I find it easier to log my students in under my own educator account rather than give them their own accounts and logins. But if you do have a class roster set up, you're able to assign your students any of the books, videos, etc. that you want them to specifically read and look at. And you do this by clicking on the Assign button right here at the bottom of the books and the videos or whatever you want to assign. And after you click on the Assign button, it's going to ask you whether or not you want to assign it to your whole class or if you just want to assign it to select students. I have a test student that I assigned to my roster, and as you can see, I clicked the box to assign that specific book to that student. Another nice feature of Epic is that you can save books and videos and etc., whatever you search up, under your favorites. Right up here at the top where it says My Library with the heart. You can do this by searching up your topic that you want to search up. And then when you find a specific book that you might want to add to your favorites, you click on the heart button and it automatically saves it into your favorites. And so then it becomes easily accessible and quick to find when you need it. And then to view all of your favorites, you go back up and hover over My Library and click on the favorites, and all of your favorites that you've saved up over time pop up. The IST standards that I think correlate with this assignment is the ISTE Educator 2A, Shape, Advance, and Accelerate a Shared Vision for Empowered Learning with Technology by Engaging with Education Stakeholders, and the ISTE Educator 2C, Model for Colleagues, the Identification, Exploration, Evaluation, Curation, and Adoption of New Digital Resources and Tools for Learning. And I hope by giving you information on this wonderful resource, EPIC, that you have learned something and you have a new digital resource that you can use with your students in your own classroom. Thanks.